Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the screen of a window. You can see there is a hole in the current screen, and for this project you're going to need a screwdriver, a utility knife, this tool over here you can get at the hardware store, pair of pliers, and the net that you're going to use to replace the screen. So the first step in the project is to remove the rubber string that is inside the frame that just holds the net together. You can see I'm doing that in this video over here. So just take it out from all four sides. Once that's done, you have to remove the screen. So that's what I'm doing over here with my pair of pliers. It comes out pretty easy. I'm just trying to do a nice and clean job. So just use your pliers to remove the screen. Once that's removed, take the new screen and you lay it on top of the frame. So lay the screen on top of the frame like that. Now you're going to use your tool to press the screen inside the groove. Just a couple of passes on each side to get the screen inside the groove. One pass, here's my second pass. Going to do the other side, same thing. First pass. Second pass. Same thing on the third side. First pass. Second pass. And then the final side, first pass, second pass. Now you're going to use the tool to press the rubber string back into the groove. You have to use the side that has the groove in it. The wheel has a groove in it. You use that side to make sure that the rubber gets into the groove. Just apply some pressure onto the rubber and it goes into the groove. You have to be a little bit careful not to cut the net at this stage. You don't want to get another hole in your screen as you're doing this. So just, a little bit of caution is good. So I'm just applying pressure, moving the wheel and putting the rubber back into place. Then you just go under the net and just go in one clean shot all the way across, just like that. Same thing on the other side. Do this on all four sides, just to cut the excess screen off. That's done. Here's the final product. You can see, no more holes in the net.